Let's flip the perspective completely. Instead of asking what a laptop can do, ask how often it lets you forget it's there. That's the quiet strength of the Inspiron 15-3000. Before anything else, take a moment to check the current price and availability. Laptops built for everyday reliability don't stay unnoticed forever, and timing has a way of sneaking up on you. This is for the person who wants their day to feel smooth from start to finish. You're not impressed by bursts of speed if they come with random pauses later. You want steadiness. You want a machine that shows up the same way at 9 a.m. as it does late in the evening, without surprises. There was a realization that brought you here. Maybe your current laptop works, but only if you're patient. Maybe touch inputs feel slightly delayed. Maybe switching between tasks pulls you out of focus more often than you'd like. Nothing dramatic, just enough friction to wear you down over time. Using this feels reassuringly simple. You open it and get straight to work. Touch gestures respond immediately. Files open without hesitation. Multitasking feels orderly instead of chaotic. You don't brace for lag, you move naturally through your tasks. Workdays feel more predictable. Video calls stay stable. Documents update smoothly. Browsing doesn't turn into a waiting game. Over long sessions, that consistency matters more than raw speed. It keeps you in control instead of reacting to slowdowns. What really shifts is how relaxed you feel. You stop anticipating issues. You stop double-checking saves. The laptop earns trust quietly, and once you feel that, going back to something less dependable feels unnecessarily stressful. Pause here and recheck stock. Practical, business-ready laptops tend to move once people realize how much friction they've been living with. You might think this is a straightforward choice, and that's exactly the point. This isn't about chasing the next big thing. It's about choosing a tool that respects your time and attention every single day. Here's the benefit most people don't talk about: mental clarity. When your laptop behaves predictably, your thinking does too. You work with more confidence and less fatigue. Owning it feels grounded. Like choosing something designed to support your routine, not complicate it. Every time you use a slower or less responsive system afterward, the difference feels obvious. Interaction feels smooth and natural, workflows stay uninterrupted, touch feels precise and responsive, daily tasks feel effortless, long sessions feel calm and controlled. It isn't built for high-end gaming or heavy creative workloads. That's the honest trade. Eventually, comparison fades into the background. You stop asking what's better on paper and choose what actually makes your days easier. Check the price, trust your need for consistency, and don't let this be one of those upgrades you postpone until everyday friction finally pushes you to act.